Right, I just thought I'd show how Loop would look on an iPhone. It also does it on an Android device too. It's available in the Google Play, but you can download it for free in the App Store. And when you look out, you can see it's very clean. It looks very much like the dashboard does on the laptop or desktop. Once you get in, you can log in like you normally do. You get a plus sign, create new classes if you want. But here you can see it's got the Workplace 30. At the bottom, you have a home button, which I wish the other version had too, an inbox, favorites, and more. So if you want to see what messages you go on, you go to inbox and you can see what's come in there. For example, there's an anonymous one. I can drill into that. What does anonymous have to say? Oh, it needs some help with the sign law. So then I can go in there and respond to anonymous there. That's the one thing about anonymous. It'd be tough to know who it is, but I talk about that more in the other one too. So you can see all the messages that your students have been sending back and forth, and you can keep that discussion loop going. It's very much like texting. So, and it syncs in with whatever you've done on, say, a laptop. So you can easily ask a question. You can choose some of the different versions that they have there. Like you can choose an exit ticket, for example, and quickly click on it and you're done. It'd be that quickly. Ask now. Again, do you want anonymous responses? Yes or no? You'd have to think about that a little bit. I wouldn't want anonymous responses because I want to know who's saying it. I can also go and schedule it. Maybe I want it tomorrow, so I would put it on there, and now this question is scheduled. So beside that little clock, next time you see it, there'll be a little one beside it, so you have one that's scheduled and ready to go with that. All right, so you can see here scheduled, and those are the live ones. So it's, again, really easy to communicate with your students, get that feedback loop going in there, post questions, do all those type of things. It's very convenient, really well laid out. I kind of actually like the app better than the look of the desktop version in some ways. Again, you can see the one by the clock, so you know it's scheduled. You can go ahead, you can add your students in here too. You could ask another question anytime you want. You can ask your own. You can say, okay, what do I want? Do I want a reaction with the emojis? I can also ask a text with this too. I like how it grays out the ones once you can't do it. I think that's really cool. I wish the desktop version would do that, but it doesn't. But again, easy to set up your own questions and then fire that off for the students to respond to and get that discussion going. And the students can download the app. They go as a student. They would be able to communicate the same way the teacher is, and